back, y'all. Welcome back. Shy Trap. I look cute. Hold on. I definitely do not look how I'm feeling right now. I'm gonna tell y'all that. But anywho, um, as y'all can clearly tell, I'm washing clothes right now. Just a quick little wash. Not washing the whole house today, thank God. Um, gotta wash clothes real quick. Hold on. Because if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Even if you're not even new here, make sure you still like and comment. You know, we're trying to get back in the groove and everything, y'all. So make sure you like and comment. Um, if you are new, make sure you subscribe. Tell somebody to subscribe, y'all. Um, and today is a busy day, okay? Very busy. When I say busy, so I mean busy. So like I said, I'm finna throw the clothes in the washer. Because Miss O's been needing some work clothes washed. I gotta clean my glasses. Miss O's been needing some work clothes washed, so I'm about to do that. She's getting off a little later today, which is a plus. That way I can get some stuff done around the house. Um, I gotta cook. I gotta go and get a few things to cook with. Yeah. And I gotta get something to eat, y'all. Maybe that's why I'm not feeling the best either. I ate some, only thing I ate today was hot chips. And the way my stomach be set up, I don't even know why I be doing it to myself. But you know, that's neither here nor there. Make sure y'all keep watching, y'all. I'm gonna get it together. I promise. I promise y'all. Let's get these clothes in the washer though. Dang. Got on here with no hat on. Ah! Slide it back on, y'all. We're gonna slide it back on. Y'all, I done ran and did a lot. But every place I done went in, it's been nothing but copyright. And it kind of pissed me off. But you know, that's neither here nor there. I'm headed back. Oh, the clothes drying right now. Forgot to say that. Just put the clothes in the dryer. Started the food. Um, so yeah. That's where we headed now. Back to the house to get some stuff done, y'all. I'm trying to get this meal done before it's time for Miss Osby to get home. Period. Um, it's hot. Oh, there's something else I gotta do, y'all. I really have to start back writing down everything that I need to do before the week is out. Because this week, between now and before we leave for Memphis, yeah, I got a lot to do. At least the room book. Oh, god dang. We gotta get back ticket. Or my mama. I don't know who gonna come with me. Somebody gonna end up coming. I wanted my sister to come, but my sister gonna have to work, and I'm pretty sure she just started at this job, so they not about to let her be off for that many days. So that's her only dilemma. Uh, and it's not like I could just go one day and then come right back. That's not happening at all. Period. So yeah, y'all. Let me head on back to the house. Finish up this cooking, and y'all meet me at the house. Like what? Meet me at the house. Meet me there. All right, y'all. All right. All right now. Dang. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, y'all. So we are back at the house now. Like I said, starting the cooking. We're already in the process of cooking. I already turned. I'm gonna be honest. Like this is one of my least favorite meals, but you know my baby wanted, so we just gonna cook it, okay? Cause I always cook what I want, and I be cooking most of the time when I cook stuff that I want. I'm gonna say about 8 times out of 10 she wanted to. But yeah, anyways, today we're gonna cook her favorite. Well, I know one of her favorites. She love yellow rice. She love my green beans. Um, even though her green beans be better. But if you want me to cook it, that's fine. So we're gonna make yellow rice, green beans, and I'm gonna do some smothered chicken. Um, yes, y'all. So that's what we're getting ready to do now. And comment down below, do you like smothered chicken batter or smothered pork chops? Cause me, we don't be eating pork chops. I haven't ate a pork chop in it done been a while. It's been a really long time since I ate a smothered pork chop. But when I tell you, mama used to make the best, when I say the best smothered pork chops, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Woo! Anywho, y'all. Oh shoot, I need to wash this up first. I gotta clean this chicken. Clean out this pan. Then we're gonna season up this good old chicken. God darn it. Dang, that's what I forgot. I needed me, we got enough green peppers. I wanted a red pepper though. But we got green peppers and we got onions, so guess I'm gonna just have to make that work, y'all. I do not feel like going back out to the grocery store once again. Like, this is not in the question right now. Like, it's not happening. Okay? I think but I do have to go out again nonetheless. So let's go get this. Gonna get this ready, y'all. That's what I'm doing. Come on, thing. Come on. There we go. There we go. Alright, y'all. Just gotta wash this pan up real quick. I knew better than doing this. Now I do. I'm gonna be honest. I gotta give me some gloves to clean with. Y'all know the little cute little gloves. I gotta give me a pair of those. I keep forgetting when I go in the store to grab them, but need some of those so the next time when I get my nails done, I won't be messing the paint up on them. I ain't really tripping over this set because it's an old set I still got. Y'all, when I tell you, I don't know if I just might do all of them. The wings kind of small. I'm really trying to cook for enough for today and tomorrow. Do y'all do that or y'all just cook enough for one day? Cause I know a lot of people don't like leftovers. But me personally, I'm so glad my woman like leftovers, baby. Cause shout out to the women that stay at home moms, stay at home wife, whatever you may be, baby. Stay at home husband, stay at home, like I said, whatever you are in your respectable places that choose to cook every single day, baby. I take my hat off to y'all, because I ain't cooking no every day now. I don't want to do that one. Alright, y'all, so I'm done with that. And now I have to, testing, 1, 2, 3. Still on. So now I gotta come back, put my gloves on, clean this chicken up. Then we're gonna start on this smothered chicken part, okay, y'all? So stay tuned. And if you're watching and you came this far, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And let's keep watching, okay? Because we got a little minute to go. Let's see what time it is, though. Oh, it's 3:53. Y'all, we're getting there, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to be done, but we're going to try. If I'm not all the way done, I'm going to be close to being done. So, y'all, stay tuned. Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up deep in this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I come close, won't you? Can
I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having the best on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having the best on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having the best on earth. Take you there, take you there. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having the best on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having the best on earth.
Ooh, the plates are ready. Y'all, let's get into it. Oh, yes, Lord. Let's eat.